Mud terrain tires, or MT tires, are designed for activities like rock crawling, mudding, and any other off-roading driving. What are some other interesting trends shaping today's mud tire market? Let's talk about that. The COVID-19 pandemic led to a lot of changes, including a surge in outdoor recreation. This included a surge of interest in off-roading and overlanding, which requires specialized tires like mud terrain to traverse harsh conditions. As a result, the mud terrain tire market experienced steady market growth over the past few years. With more drivers outfitting their trucks, SUVs, and Jeeps for off-road use, MT tires proliferated into wider sizes and larger diameters to satisfy demands. Wider tires provide more traction surface area, while larger diameters increase ground clearance for extreme terrain. Many popular MT tire models are now available in sizes to 37 or even 40 inches in diameter, catering to even the most extreme overlanding enthusiasts who want to clear large rocks or water crossings. In addition to an expanded range of sizing options, new subsegments of MT-inspired tires emerged. These offer aggressive, rugged appearance of mud terrains, but with more road-friendly features. Known as hybrid terrain tires, they provide traction for light off-road use, along with improved on-road comfort and tread life compared to hardcore mud options. Even automakers are getting in on the trend, offering factory-installed OE mud terrain tires on new models branding for off-roading. After exponential growth during the pandemic, the mud terrain segment is forecast to level off somewhat in the coming years, but experts still predict steady demand as overlanding and hardcore off-roading maintain popularity across the US. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcox Media. Thanks for watching.